Hi, excuse me. Do you have mineral water? Sparkling, please.
Ay, ma'am, meron po kaming tubig. Nasa ref. Malamig. Sparkling? Parang wala kami, ma'am. Ordinaryong tubig lang po talaga.
Okay. Do you have like low fat chichirya? Yung pang-diet ganon?
Grabe si ma'am. Sa imong kapayat, mangita pa kag pang-diet ng pagkaon. Ma'am, meron po kaming mga chichirya. Yatos, Serenbe, at saka Funky. Pero low fat, ma'am. Pero lahat naman yata high fat na ngayon eh.
How much is this? Make tawad, maybe 15.
Hindi yan okay ang aking paninda. 30 yun na siya, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I get one of these. One, this one, this one. And do you have 20 load?
Social si ma'am, pero load prepaid lang pala.